In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your Sony A7 IV camera and your TV to get the video signal on both of them. And it's very simple, but there is one setting that you need to adjust, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So to get your Sony footage to show up on the TV or computer monitor or monitor that you get for your camera, all you need to do is plug in the HDMI cable to the full-size HDMI. Now, once you do that, you'll see that this screen is going to go black and then your monitor is going to turn on. There may be a slight lag, as you can see here. It's very, very slight, but it's very easy to get on the regular monitor here. And as you can see here, we have our displayed information like my shutter speed, my f-stop, my ISO, etc. I can do the other screens like the leveling system, which mode I'm in, all my menus, all those things. So I can see my function button. Let me click it back here. You can see the various focus modes, and that's not showing up on the TV. So the way to do that is you go to your menu on the camera. So let me flip this guy around here. Click menu on your camera, go down to the bottom settings, and go to option 12, which is external output. Then go to HDMI info display and turn that off. That will make sure that all of the informational displays are off on the HDMI outputted device. So that's your TV, your monitor, etc. If you have it turned on, then you'll see this screen is going to go black. You won't see anything on here, but now your camera settings, everything that you would see on your camera transfers over to this. So you can see we have our menu there. Once I click into the regular mode, you can see that screen is off on the camera. You can't get it back unless you turn off all the display options, but now you can see that I can view my eye autofocus working in real time, which is cool. I can also change my display settings. So I can go into my audio meter modes, I can go into my leveling mode, etc. And I can make everything disappear. I can also do playback on the TV. So if I hit play, there are some images that I recently took with my camera. So that is a quick walkthrough, just so you know, if you do want both. Sometimes it does make sense if you want a clean output, like if someone's previewing the frame. Let's say that you want to actually see the settings on the camera over there. If you're behind the camera, then you want your subject to be able to see what's being filmed. That's when you would want to have both displays on. So I just wanted to show you briefly how that is done.